They say Dele Farotimi was in court yesterday. Magistrate court. Because like this now, the number of court where that guy case there inside, he reach like 5. They sue him for high court Ekiti, sue him for magistrate court Ekiti, and yesterday sue him another place, high court, one court like that for Abuja. Another person sue him again for Kano. They sue him again Jigawa. They sue him again Akwa. They just sue the guy up and down. And for each suing, they go give bail. For high court, Abi, they say 50 million. Give condition. Now, for the magistrate court, they sue, they don't give and pay yesterday. 30 million. Give condition. How much million now don't go? 80 million. People are saying they worried that this guy is useless. They won't collect all the money. Is where. Some kind just happened inside court yesterday. I call the year I keep somehow. Say magistrate, the judge enter courtroom. As he did there, he received call. He come out outside. Who call her will know. He can't come back. They can't do hanky panky. Last. They can't grant bail. Who called the judge? Nobody know. And within that vicinity, that magistrate court, you go see buildings where they build for there. And you go see donated by Gezna Afe Babalola. The buildings where they for that magistrate court. Now Afe Babalola build and donate them to the magistrate court. So it would be right to say that Afe Babalola called the magistrate. I ain't called the judge. Assumption, no. Not be saying assumption. Allegedly, make I use allegedly, called the judge. Because I don't know. You don't see it. Oh, yeah, make the business of the day start. You are lying. Come out. Who call you? Nobody know. It's all right. I'm gonna make I play one video for on, and after that, when I go get a rundown of what happened. When I go hear from one human rights activist. When I go also hear from Dele Farotimi lawyer. Then when we come back, let us have a discussion. I'm gonna watch this video.
So far, the court proceedings just ended with Dele Farotimi granted bail to the sum of a bond of 30 million naira with 2 sureties, which one has to have a house in Ado-Ekiti here, and he's also to submit his passport, international passport, to make sure that he doesn't leave the country. I have one person here who is going to speak to us on what happened inside court, and then we'll speak to the lead counsel of Dele Farotimi. Good afternoon, sir. Tell us your names, please.
Okay, my name is Comrade Agaido Kehinde TV. Right activist. It's a bailable offense. It's not a capital offense. So there's a constitutional right for this kind of alleged allegation against him. So there's not anything like favor right there. He's entitled to a bail. And as you can see today, there is a little shenanigans drama inside the court of law. And the lordship have to step aside to go and do what is best known to him. By the time he comes in, the counsel to Afe Babalola try to be petty, but at the end of the day, all tension was pressed down.
Bail has been granted now, so we are optimistic about things that are yet to happen regarding this case. But I must also bring it to notice that on one of the buildings of this court here in Ekiti, it is written that it was donated by Mr. Afe Babalola. So people are asking, does this now, will you deem this as a fair trial if this is brought to his own base where he has clout and energy?
The court upheld that Dele Farotimi has a right to bail, and therefore the court granted him bail in the sum of 30 million naira bond to be provided by him, 2 sureties in like sum in the sum of 5 million naira each, and each one of the sureties is to have a landed property in Ekiti. Then the court proceeded further to say that Dele must deposit his international passport with the court, to which we pointed out to the court that this same order has been made by the Federal High Court, and if there is indeed judicial precedence, then having deposited it at the Federal High Court, there is nothing more to deposit here. So I think basically that those were the conditions as far as I can remember just now.
All right, sir.
Oh yeah, they also said that there was a gap placed on him. He must not grant any interview. He must not make any comment. He must not write anything that has to do with this case.
You see, that first man we talk, we say they talk. Say magistrate enter, I be judge enter. He come out, nobody know. To go attend to what is best known to him. As he come back, the lawyer of Afebalola started acting petty, according to that man we talk. That's a human rights activist. Last, they settled for 30 million naira bail with condition. Say he get deposit international passport. When him don't already deposit, give the other court, we grant her 50 million. He go bring 2 shorty. One must have landed property in Abuja, in Ekiti. So now, so you be like this now. We don't know whether Dele Farotimi go spend Christmas in jail or he go be out. But Peter Obi took it upon himself. He said, yes, I will make sure that the bail conditions are met so that my man, because I'm a spokesperson now for Southwest. During the last election. Now Dele Farotimi speak now. People that speak the truth. So we will make sure that the condition is met and he's out. Nobody is happy about the situation. The crowd way food there as that thing they happen, as this judgment, as this court sitting happened yesterday. Nobody here. People full. In fact, it got to a point. The judge come they say he dey fear. He dey fear, eh? Say which kind of crowd be this inside court? Clean conscience fears no accusation. Why you dey fear? Are you about doing something stupid? You can't say crowd full for you. You can't dey fear. That call where they call you. That call. Anyway, because if not be say the crowd they there, ginger. I mean, that magistrate for do something. If I say made the left for me day until February, when the case will come up again. But you don't see crowd now say this one is, in fact, the offense that people are even charging Dele Farotimi is a bailable offense. You cannot afford to deny him bail, or they possible. That was why they tried to tighten up the bail condition. They make him bring international passport. Who him already deposit. Person they get to international passport. It's possible that if you contact us, if you don't deposit international passport, you cannot go anywhere. Something with him already deposit for the other court. How you want to deposit another for you? It's alright. So now the matter be that Dele Farotimi, all what he wrote in that book, these people, these useless people, they have ended up making Nigerians believe everything that was written in that book. Make I remind you now, there is a new law now, signed into law by the spokesperson of the Nigerian police, Muyiwa. That one I don't know. I don't know who given that law. If I know him by himself, sign him into law. He said insult on her is a criminal offense, and you go to jail to insult person. So I want to start with him. Oga, you know where your head not correct. That law where you quote where you did. You go just open mouth. Wow, they talk rubbish. Insult. Who know they chop insult for this country? He said if they, I don't start with you now. You know where? I want to again. So this thing why I talk now, go land me for jail. This man nowhere. Now the new law, now he make him, now he pass him. People don't they talk since yesterday. Say this man, say this man nowhere. You know, make I know that go pack everybody. We say you know where now. Charge them for criminal offense. Maybe 2 or 3 years in prison. I go see you that later.
For over a decade, this has been the birthplace of innovation. Innoson Vehicles is a testament to resilience, employing international best practices to create more than just a car. Every vehicle here tells a story of durability, fuel economy and safety. Crafted with the African spirit, the Nigerian heart. These vehicles surrounding me embody the unique concept of regionalization, each one designed to cater to the tastes and preferences of our people. From the streets in Nigeria to the terrains of the Sahara, these vehicles are designed for our roads, for our people. This is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of our progress, our resilience, our collective success story. Your feedback drives us to continuously innovate and improve. Innoson Vehicle, the pride of African roads.